Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing for like I think 6 months, I'm not sure, but at last we got all our packages from customs. Equipment seems to be kind of working, and yeah, well, I have time to do this, yay! So today we will be unboxing 2 seasons of Fab Fit Fun subscriptions. We'll be doing summer and we'll be doing fall. Ta-da! Okay, so let's do this one. Ooh. This is what it looks like. Don't you just love the blue? Does it not just remind you of summer? So yeah, we get a meal kit gift voucher. I think these have expired already since someone didn't open her boxes. And then we get a $10 off to whomever would like $10 off the first box. Unfortunately, this one has expired, yeah, see, 31 July. Then we have a nice little booklet explaining, just a nice magazine taking you through all the products, little articles, you know, everything that's could be in the box. Let me just collect that. Ooh, this is a bit high. Let me just rearrange the table. So, ta-da! Can you just imagine? Awesome! Okay, so then we get Generation Clay. Does it focus? Me and things that don't focus. There we go. So you could have gotten, let me just quickly double check my facts here. Where is it? Oh no, this is a mandatory one. Is it not in the book as well? Let's quickly check in the book. I'm rearranging this entire table today. So apparently it should be here, number 7. Generations Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. It's packed with Davidson Plum. The purple masks works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost dehydration. Okay, so this was one of the items that would have been included either way. You didn't have a choice between them. Where's the every box? Yeah, so everyone got one of these. Then we have a Wish exfoliating foot mask. This was included in everyone's box as well. What do we have? Intelligent Nutrients. Oh, this was 32 US. This is a refining micro polish. Well, it looks all plant-based. How much is this? Oh, you could have chosen between, let me quickly put it up. Where are we? You could have chosen between Dr. Rogers 5A, between, oh, now I can't see. That item, does it focus? Maybe I should put the light off. There we go. So you could have chosen between a Dr. Rogers, Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm, that one, are we focusing? And we could have gotten a Organic SPF 30 makeup. Where is that? Oh, that's cooler. There we go. We could have gotten one of those. Let me turn this up again. So we had a choice between those 3, and of course I took this one. It says refining micro polish. So it's curated from plant to jojoba beads, which are plant-based, biodegradable and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. So So this was 57 US. I think it's, let's test it. It should be well worth our time, right? Ooh, these are the wine glasses, ne? Silicone wine glasses. What a pair. Let's take the plastic off. It's only going to glare. Jeez Louise. Why I want to can't get it undone. Over there. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous packaging, I mean. Is it not? Does it focus? Hope you can get that. So what it says is silicone wine glasses, what a pair, set of 2. So these, come on, turn the page. You could have gotten these, a Jennifer Star double necklace, which is, let's quickly dim that for you. There we go. You could have gotten those, which retailed for 50, and you could have gotten the 3A. It doesn't want to zoom. Why is it not? Here we go. These, which are the resistant bands, and then you could have gotten these. Aren't they just lovely? So, ooh, they don't smell. I love them. They're squishy. Okay, so these retailed for 25 US. I'm not going to knock that. I guess I could have gotten more expensive stuff, but I love it. I love the packaging. I just adore it. Let's just put this lightning back up because I can't see a thing. Okay, then we got styling cream. Stop frizz and lighting. Okay, so you are living proof. Does it actually? There we go. So it's living proof, no frizz, nourishing styling cream. The name says it all. Combat frizz with this styling cream that smooths conditions and blocks humidity without weighing hair down. So it retails for 28 US. Jeez. I hope it's for a larger size, because that's like 400 Namibian dollars. That's a bit much. Anyways, you could have gotten the nourishing styling cream, a mystery item, or what is this? Mystery item, a liquid eyeliner for 22 US. I doubt there's any liquid eyeliner for 22 US. But yeah, let's carry on. Ooh! It says there should be 2. There's 2. So, it's the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel. And then we have Bum Bum Cream. I've always wanted Bum Bum Cream. You cannot find it anywhere. Apparently, it is to die for. Anyhow, this is a combo, and where are we? 1C. They retail for 45 US, both of them, which is, well, kind of almost cheaper than the eye pencil, I guess. It's twice the price of a eye pencil, and it's well worth it if you ask me. But anyhow, so we got both of these. We could have gotten a lotus towel. What? Oh, a lotus towel, a mini travel blow dryer. I opted for these. I wanted me some Bum Bum Cream, and I'll be getting back to you about the Bum Bum Cream. So, what do we have next? It's like, ooh, take these. So I got these. As you can see, I wear them a lot. Why did I get these though? Oh, everyone got these. It's Invisibobble Original Deo Pack. The answer to all your ponytail problems. This revolutionary hair tool provides a strong grip, yet leaves your hair traceless. 16 US. That's 200 Namibian dollars for 6 of these. Okay. I'll taste them, but I know we can get these for less at Discount Clicks or any of the other ones. Let's see what we have then. Ooh, it's a spray all day from Grace and Stella, and it's a rose spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. I don't know if I want to open it, so let's do it. So what does these retail for? $25.95. So Grace and Stella, let's quickly see. Craving a midday refresher. Just a spritz of the rose-infused mist will leave you with a fresh and moisturized face. I did say it's $25.95, right? So let's see. How good is that? Can you see that? It says, good choice. I think it's just so cute. Anyways. Oh, it smells divine. Ooh. Okay, only 3 to 4 spritzes, but this smells awesome. I guess this will be traveling in my car as well. I've got a Wet n Wild facial primer spray thingamajig that I drive with in my car. I mean, in this heat, you need something, and I love it. I just love it. It also has a rose flavor to it. Just divine. So, oh, we got this. Everyone got one of these. I think it's worth the price. What do we have left? Well, before I do that, then I got these. So these is a set of 3 stoneware indigo tie-dye bowls. I think you could have gotten, what could we have gotten? Where are we? There we go. You could have gotten rose gold brightening facial treatment masks for 160 US, a pack of 5. I doubt it. I don't want that much gold. Then we could have gotten these for 39 US. Summer and Rose Navy Diamond Tote. Where are we? There. Apparently that retails for 50 US. And then the felt letter board box. This one for 35 US. And I opted for my bowl. Are they not just gorgeous inside? I'm not going to untie them. I'll just break them lying around on my table, and we hardly have any space. So we got, it won't close. Come on. Okay, so that's about it for the summer box. We got the bowls, the bum bum cream, the shower gel with the bum bum cream for 45. I got my wine glasses for when we go camping again. We got the foot exfoliator. Oh, come on. Then we have a micro polish, so it's like microdermabrasion, I guess. Got one of those. We got the styling cream. Oh, this is actually a nice bottle though. Feels like silicone. Smells divine. Anyhow, we got our ties, we got a mask, and we got the Divine Rose spray. That's the entire summer box. I think it's gorgeous. Okay, so moving that to one side and opening the latest box. Oh, sorry. Opening our latest box, which is the fall box. This is what we look like. So we got a $15 off voucher. We got a $80 gift card from HelloFresh. I don't see expiration date. We got a book again. We just open that to our selectors. Ooh. And then we have the box. Oh, ooh. Filled with goodies. So let's kick it off. We've got, no ways, did I seriously choose this? Did they? So this is a Amika strand styler. We know there's straighteners, but I mean, wow. Yes, it comes with a US plug, but we can change that. Does it use the right? Somewhere it has to say the power setting. Oh, here we go. Can we use it here? Yes, we can. 240 volts. We can use it here. Just get the plug. But is this not? Ooh, it's got a matte finish. It feels awesome. It's got a power setting, a heat setting. Sorry, not power. Power's up there. Is this not just gorgeous? Wow. Let's put it back. I didn't even know I selected that. Okay, so we got, let's just chuck it down. You could have, so we could have gotten the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. You could have chosen, sorry, between that, the Plush Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf, can you see, which was $75. Anthropology Travel Yoga Mat, where's that? Oh, down there, for $50. And the styler was $80 US. And then you had the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit for $89.99. Now I like my pearly whites, but I'm not prepared to test that on my teeth. I think my dentist might just kill me. And their family and friends as well, so yeah. So let's see. And then there was a mystery item for $42 US. I'm happy with that. You're not hearing me complain. I'm happy with that. Then we have, let's see, Pure Sea Mixing Crystals. Wow. Can you see them? Okay, so this is nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturize. Oh, you mix the crystals with it. Well, these are $54 US, and you had the choice between them. The Bauble Bar Farah Ear Crawlers. What the hell is that? That just sounds like an insect. Where is that? There's 3A. Where the hell is this ear crawler thing? I don't see it. Oh, found it. It's earrings. Could you focus on that? Anyways, those are $34 US. And then you could have gotten a Lava Magic, this, it's a 3-in-1 cleanser. I got that in an influencer box to test, so yes, I would not have picked any of those anyway. Anyhow, the mask is $32 US. Wow. Okay, Then we got Damage Remedy from Aveda. Where are we? Everyone got one of these. They retail for $30 US. Oh, it's a hair repair. Infused with guano protein, macadamia oil and soy, instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 45 degrees. Wow, for $30 US. I think, yeah, carrying on. Human and Kind Skincare with Conscience, Body Souffle. I like these. Can we see them? Oh, it focuses up here. Yay! Anyways, everyone got one of these and it retails for $18 US. It says, lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and sea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. Well, I guess I'll have to test the Bum Bum cream first and then tell you whether this is better than the Bum Bum cream. I still love it, love. Okay, then I chose the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, a 6-pack for $25 US. Does it glare a lot? Let's see. Individual ones, small tiny ones. I think I still have gold masks somewhere. Anyhow, these retail for $25 US. These eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. You could have gotten the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner for $30 US, or where's the other one? Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball 5A. I don't see that. Oh, it's just a little thingamajiggy. Then we have 4C. Tristique Mini Eye Essentials, a set of 4. Ooh. So, brow pencil, shadow crowns. Oh, I like this. Well, I guess they just sample sizes though. Because I mean, oh, they actually open up. They're not sample. So, these are 48, ne? We could have gotten a dual salt and pepper mill. Let me do this. And still it won't focus. Can we focus now? There we go. So we could have gotten the salt and pepper mill, the, where are we? The body boost gel, or, and that was it, ne? We could have gotten body boost gel, the hair towel wrap, or a salt and pepper mill, the combo mill. Yeah, and I think I chose well. I think I did. They look cute. Sure, I just turned this up way too high. Sorry about that. Then we got Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Harper Ori. What? So everyone got these. We all got these. They are exfoliating sugar cubes in Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Oh, thank goodness. I just thought you had to drink these. Well, everyone got one of those. And then, the big kahuna. I got a cheese board to go with the prior month's wine glasses. So we could have gotten, let's first see what this is. So we got a twine cheese board with plate, a removable ceramic plate, stainless steel cutlery, and a chic acacia wood serving platter for 30 US. You could have gotten cut from cloth slim striped wallet for 60 US. Let me do that. Is that one for 60 US? We could have gotten the detox pad, Dr. Nassif from Botched. That's his product. You could have gotten the detox pads for, where are we, Dr. Nassif, 45 US, or the Kate Spade lunch tote for 30 US. But I'm happy with my choices. I got, I think, a beautiful one. I'm not going to unpack it now. Once again, it's glass and I might just leave it on the table. Anyway, so I got these. Yeah, there we go. So let's recap. We got the cheese board. We got the non-edible sugar cubes, exfoliating sugar cubes. The awesome little eyeshadow with the brow pencil and the eyeliner kit. Something else when I'm not using the Bum Bum cream. The eye pads, eye masks, those little onions on your eyes. The damage remedy from Aveda, sorry. Then we got the vitamin C mixing crystals for in your nighttime mask or cream. And then we got this gorgeous Amica hair straightener. So all of this we got for $49.99. I don't think that's bad. I changed up to a annual subscription, so it made it quite cheaper. So it works out 45 US if you take the annual instead of $49.99. Then I have a code down there that you can actually use and get a box for cheaper. Just remember that your first box will be cheaper, but from there it will be the normal $49.99 or your annual price. You can use Planet Express. I have a link for that down below as well. So yeah, that is our full box and our summer. At last, okay, so Fab Fit Fun done and dusted. I still have an entire wall down there full of boxes that we need to review. I've got a couple new ones. Yeah, so you might see a couple of videos with this on. I'm so sorry, but I'm trying to catch up. So once again, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe it to my channel. Sorry, being flustered here. And I hope to see you guys soon. I do try to catch up on all my outstanding boxings and videos, so do let me know what you think of this box. Do let me know where I might improve, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!